Okay, we have a Sharp Vertical Machining Center, model SV2412, serial number 311-00390. This machine was new in 2005, and we are running it. We're going to run it. Machine has an 8,000 RPM Cat 40 spindle, 1,500 RPM. $3,000. It goes up to 8. Machine has a umbrella style tool changer, 10 position, 10 tool capacity. That's 6,000 RPM. We're going to simulate a tool change. Machine also has boxways. You have 24 inches of X travel, 12 of Y, 18 of Z. The table size is 27.5 by 12 and it's T-slotted. That's your X axis. Your Y. And your Z. So you saw a simulated tool change, you saw the axes move, you heard the spindle run. Machine also has a coolant system. It's a FANUC OIMB control. Hey, thank you for watching our video.